You felt it, haven't you? That moment where everything inside you collapses. When prayers become whispers and hope is a flicker. Welcome to Light Unlocked, where we explore life's questions through the lens of God's Word. Why does God let us break first? Why does He wait until we shatter, before we feel His hand? It's a question born in hospital waiting rooms, silent bedrooms, and quiet desperation. But here's something Jesus once taught. Not directly in words, but in the way He lived, died, and rose again. Something must die before something can grow. Just like a seed, it breaks underground, hidden, silent. But only in that breaking does it become something new. Maybe the breaking isn't cruelty. Maybe it's love removing what was never meant to last. The identity built on success, the comfort built on people, the strength built on pride. God allows the breaking to bring you back to Him, not because He abandoned you, but because He knows what lies on the other side. He allows what's false to fall, so what's true can rise. There was a man, lost everything, job, relationship, identity. He prayed, and heaven felt silent. Until one day, sitting on the floor, he opened the Word, not to get answers, but because it was the only thing left. And there, he didn't find lightning or booming voices. He found whispers of peace, a quiet presence, the weight lifting. He found a God who never left, even in the breaking. Jesus once said, "Unless a grain of wheat falls into the earth and dies, it remains alone. But if it dies, it bears much fruit." John 12:24. Breaking is not the end. It's the process of becoming. The sacrifices of God are a broken spirit, a broken and contrite heart. O God, you will not despise. Psalm 51:17. Though he fall, he shall not be cast headlong, for the Lord upholds his hand. Psalm 37:24. God doesn't turn away from your brokenness. He draws near to it, not because he needs perfection, but because he loves honesty. Surrender, faith in ashes. If you're breaking now, don't fear it. God's hands are not far, they're holding you. Comment below if you've walked through this kind of season, or if you're in it now. Let's create a space for light to rise. Share this video with someone who feels like their life is falling apart. Because sometimes, we just need to know. It's okay to be broken. It's not the end. You've been watching Light Unlocked. Subscribe to journey deeper into truth, healing, and hope.